Friends, please watch this inspirational video till the end to get Guru's advice and his contact details. I personally benefited from his advice. I hope you all get benefited, and I wish you all the best, and I love you all. Bye bye.
Style more rocking, adugula sound more shaking. Nadiche style more rocking, adugula sound more shaking. Veedi speed breathtaking. Oh yeah, yo. Veedu cheyeste knocking, villains gundallo stroking, bontlo patasu like cracking. Oh yeah, yo. Weapons kuda venakadu gese. So shocking, tufanuloga dusku vaste recordulani breaking. K-I-N-G.
Come on, everybody.
K-I-N-G vastunnadu king. Muscles plus manasu unna makudam leni king. Come on. K-I-N-G vastunnadu king. Silence kuda whistles kotte one and only king. Yo.
Okay, if you want a flat tummy like this, or a tummy like Kareena Kapoor, Katrina Kaif, Ileana D'Cruz, or Priyanka Chopra, you know who to contact me, the Tummy Guru. Okay, if you listen to Tummy Guru's advice, you don't have to do any exercise. Still, your friends, relatives, neighbors, even general public will be very jealous of looking at your tummy, like how jealous you are looking at my flat tummy. Okay, Tummy Guru is visiting Bangalore for a short period of time. If you really want to have flat tummy like what I have now, you will definitely find me, and you know exactly where to find me. See you bye in Bangalore.
B channel. So we got none other than the most famous Tummy Guru here. Now we're going to interview the most famous Tummy Guru.
Hello.
Tummy Guru, how did you get interested in tummies?
Oh, it's a very interesting question, Mr. Bhargav. Why I'm interested in making people's tummy flat. Actually, the story goes back to about 25-30 years ago when we were young and when we were studying in universities. We used to watch a lot of Telugu movies, and probably you know that our very popular director is K. Raghavendra Rao, and he was popular and still is our popular director.
If you are wondering, K. Raghavendra Rao is K. Raghavendra Rao B.A. Boddu Meeda Apple.
And his peculiarity, sorry, it's not a peculiarity, is very popular, and his speciality is making a nice, romantic, beautiful songs. And in each and every song, the highlight is, you know, the hero comes and he picks up an apple or an orange, and he throws on a beautiful tummy of an heroine. So that's when the people get excited, and that's when everybody, you know, that's what everybody wants to watch in the movies. I have a friend, he's my best friend, and I love him a lot. His name is Pratap, and he used to take us to watch these movies, and as soon as he finished watching this particular scene, and he says that, Arun, I did work on these different diets, and now I can make anybody's tummy flat, like a movie star.
So even my tummy?
Yeah. Anybody's tummy.
Even when
Yeah,
it's big?
it's no problem. Give me some time. I'll formulate, and I can make anybody's tummy flat. And it's not dream anymore. Having a flat tummy like a movie star is not a dream anymore. It's very, very close to reality. If you know me well, you got it.
So you can make any tummy flat,
Any tummy flat and nice. Yes.
including